Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin versus the Nigerian Nollywood superstars. As you are watching this kind of videos, makes me feel like I secretly know I'm building a certain kind of relationship with them all. Especially listening to Ramzy Noah, Awilo, and same one more Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin hono. Ebusia editrem. Before I make jawa mo akwa video no, I'm a mouth highlights kit to be. The main reason why you are supposed to watch this video till the end. In this content of video I no, Ramzy Noah applauded Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin, tagged him as one of the best actors. I want no Ramzy Noah, and he will not be surprised. So we will say very soon Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin Krampo enter into politics, and how he wish I want no Ramzy Noah say very soon. But in the mumma and in ma and probably Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin school no awati nimu when you pour in the mabebe school, and some near down to the stand say a TC I am on Niger African Cup ye boy yomulusu yi Ramzy Chiremu say Ghana in Nigeria young fano I saw the fufro to cock a grab womb or dobe brain. Did you know no you in pefe say all bay Ghana for Baba Bestreno it decrano in Yanka Woma as why there was over and now what does soon could be a Woma Kwadwo Nkansah any a on my Ghana as a whole I will also be twice so a queen of us over PMO Kumasi anyway and feed that any senior must dog Ghana mine I ran in him says Nancy dear when you see no and who say one of the most popular comedians in the Omonaija movie industry no Chuku Awurum in his own Chuku Awurum Sapa pardon who was papa Abra Ramzy Noah Awilo Etihodo our Makwati father Dickson common one Shamaya Sredo na papa and so have a PMO airport or no some more Kayampo a ditchep me say there is a secret relationship Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin on it this Nigerian superstars are building secretly Yanko I mean now Yanko heavy video Emanisi Kwadwo Nkansah lilwin the pillar the unity the savior of the Ghana movie industry. Kwadwo gba adwuma. Wow. Asantinii abrantia na ni atie. Kwadwo Nkansah me kumio. Kwadwo. Awilo so be piem. Be kai pa Awilo ba so na asebi ni movie o de buy. Then ya go. Ebi no ho ana mu senti o mo ehu sa movie bi. Awilo na asa na keke no. Ye wo sai so obi ebi o de mu kakra bi sa no he. Wow. Just look at how our meeting Kwadwo Nkansah almost smiling on. Almost kotenase ho na nkomoni be pie bu no. Aha, sisi do mu nya kotenase. I was never sure na make house any your first time out here King.Ghana. My refuse of subscribe to channel we I
Is it you?
Exactly, it's me.
Is it you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Roger.
Why didn't you tell me that?
No, but I'm not the boss is coming to me.
I would have been scared.
Yeah, I'm very okay. Ramzy.
Long time.
Yes, so. See, these are the people controlling the Ghana media.
Boss. Yes, filmmakers are in the house.
The African giants, they are in the house.
Bro, sorry, you.
Oh, okay. Yes, I think so. We've met. Your face is extremely funny. It's good.
Father Dickson, no, is getting in our one with scour off.
Yes, sir.
Frank.
Thank you.
Lilwin.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Daddy and father, the whole Ghana father, this is my father. Then if you come to Ghana, all the people, the media, the hire. Okay, that's what I'm doing.
You can say it.
Oh, can I say it? Okay, I brought you to my father to eat my father's father racing. And the manager, Mr. Richard Kote.
Yes.
This media is the biggest, yes. The biggest in Ghana. That's why I brought you here. All the six shooting Ghana.
4 radio stations and 1 TV
Yes.
station.
4 radio stations and 1 TV station.
Okay.
Any movie I shoot, my father I bring him to show in the media for me. That's why I bring him here. The performance is too hot.
No wonder. This guy is so huge, eh?
Wow.
And me, I don't know, saying I saw you big rich.
Yeah.
You get. And for whatever it is, I applaud you. Me, I clap for you.
Kwadwo Nkansah.
We don't come this far. We don't come this far. You know, we don't do this thing. We don't do. I just say you do film, actor, music, producing, everything you do inside. So the next one now, president.
And he has a big school.
Yes, they told me to. Yes. No problem. I'll send my children.
I thought that they might buy a lilwin school.
I know.
Don't contest now. Just chop this little body where they get for entertainment because politics is quite
If
different.
he goes to politics, he'll make it. Right now, he has the clout.
I know. You know when we are discussing about football and the rest of them. What brought me here first, especially to Kumasi, was to play football with the Stars. After the beat of Nigeria. Yes, after the beat of Nigeria, when I was the chairman. Yes, when I was the chairman of After the beat of Nigeria, Lagos. So we all came there during Ibinabo's time.
Oh yeah.
So we came to play with the Ghanaian Stars.
I'm a little bit.
Yeah, you guys say that we beat them. You guys say that either 2-1 or 1, or they beat us 2-1. But you guys say that we beat. And I played full time. There is one particular this that was. Can you play today? No. There's one particular. It's not a video. It's a picture that went viral when the ball during this competition time. I and the Charles Inoje with our big tummy. We were climbing up after the football match. We were coming up to come and rest with all the big tummy and the rest of it. So. What brought me first was the football match. Then I came back again. I've come here several times.
When did you play the match? Accra.
Kumasi. Then the other times I came here several times to come and do MC jobs. This is the first time I'm coming to shoot. And I want to do.
You can't do MC for Ghana.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's not the right time to come. It's not the right time to come.
Nigeria.
This is very sensitive. It's still in the air. Like I remember that, like in my head when he said, "Okay, we're working on the 19th," I said, "Jesus." I said, "If I come here now, the way Ghanaians will give me all that anger is on going to be on my head." Yes, but it's a good thing. Basically, it's also very nice to be here. Rogers, it's good to see you again.
Chuku Awurum na be PM no. Chuku Awurum. Yeah. I was just for head high. My rep say o subscribe and now say bo adoman who here pa ya. O do sabo adoman is what you so oh say be bibia cause of Ghana the 2 man now so say it actually fast. Don't forget to also like this video. It's very important. Yeah.
Are you looking old now? You're looking very young.
Cut the connection, the lab between them.
At times I look at what somebody has done for me. If not, I'll not be here. Because I've not seen nothing. I'll not be here. But because of him, there's nothing that can stop me from coming. And you will see. I'll give you my best. And my best will be good enough.
Thank you.
That is the basic.
Thank you.
That's good.
I was also reading more TV. Also, no, a sika pa dia danka. You know, a lot of offers. But Odobi or Kwadwo Nkansah, you know, and no, and the money be PMO. Ghana. Wauti, Ramzy, Wuti, Awilo, and some be brave. I know the two guys. Anybody, some in case of any updates, bro, or Ghana. We don't cry. If it's a share on our next video. Don't forget to share this video to others so that they can also have access to this information with us.
Emunya Kenny, and Reno and Medada. No one come to Wabi, who hear me pa, Sana me assure so said, who be here once. ASM Tiawabi pet, it's Mamia America Crabby. The Eddie kind, better will be a say, I was so a Ghana, I was so me, especially on a TikTok. I mean, I don't want Kasa on one or don't and then I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if it's a Gusompo and a following, and I'm DH, away TikTok. So, do you answer na muyi cheme away Facebook? And the person moving, I just idea who one fast for. And say, I feel maybe a YouTube account, a monopa, the content a woman couldn't do, baby. I feel near day back. There are a lot of beautiful packages I did break Ghana for. One money medium when him said the Messiah Meduma, and unti see me for when it video be a baby. And intimate share what dear back per se. Yet, here we should have for hey, a YouTube hey. My rent fee said, let's subscribe to channel way, amame. And when him said the Messiah Meduma, video in the sophomore, will be any home. Where we should go for I yet in YouTube hentino. Channel ya bofra, I feel a woody. Messia was said, but coming when you had the ends on Kahon, said the Mabwa Ama and the TikTok. The winning part of almost 10% of over 1 million people that follow your TikTok. I'm an Amsa, a ye bitch me, away Facebook, who subscribe channel with so mammy. They won't be here and say, who subscribe you? I'm my real officer, don't man that subscription in China. But the ones have a boss, no what you so all. When you said details and then the credit in Africa near the Abramo, it be a beam so high to pay. Say that be our baby kind. Now on Saka video be a baby entin. As I still be say, who subscribe you here? I'm my real officer say, but don't have a boy, don't man that subscription in China. No what you so all. You never wish your way, brother become when you way so. And can you that? Within the Ken, the cultural content I did be good YouTube. I'm not dancing the winning dada. I feel I feel a radio mood drone. Sure. So when you say media may, Marco in the crown, if a Tiffany appearing and for Abro or Dram or Mount. When you can subscribe, once about domans, choose you all. I feel share video, and many part do be. Now once we never hear. You must say, I want to see where the can't subscribe rather. I don't say about domans, at you all. Within the Ken, no way cry. The best share on our next video.
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
K1, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, no news in the bar. So you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say I'll commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe a local strength free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?